Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 7 of the course Organization Development and Change in 21st Century. So let's solve it. So this week consists of 10 number of questions and we will start it from the beginning, that is question number 1. So question number 1 is performance appraisal is an important link between dash and dash. So the given options are structure and employee involvement systems, evaluation systems and productivity, feedback systems and reward systems, evaluation systems and financial status of the organization. So the answer will be structure and employee involvement systems, that is option number A. For question number 1, option A will be the correct answer. Moving to the next question. Question number 2 is assertion and reason. So assertion is in today's business environment, organizations' knowledge creation and learning prove to be a source of competitive advantage. Reason, taking feedback from the environment and learning from it becomes essential to innovate, strive and thrive in the competition and challenges of the business environment. So the answer for question number 2 will be option number A. Okay, A is true and R is correct explanation of A. Viewers, please correct it. I have made a mistake for question number 1. The answer will be option number C. Okay, feedback systems and reward systems. For question number 2, answer is option A. A is true and R is correct explanation of A. Question number 3 is small small teams working at the shop floor and giving recommendation of improving systems to management. This is a sign of which system? SBM, single boy mooring, TQM, total quality management, constraint removal, techno-structural intervention. So the appropriate answer will be option number B, TQM, that stands for total quality management. Question number 4 is organizational learning depends on knowledge management as well as on learning and sharing culture of the organization. Presence of knowledge holding platforms to curb imitation. Presence of monetary incentives policy for learning. The availability of infrastructure for knowledge dissemination. So the answer will be option number A. Okay, learning and sharing culture of the organization. Question number 5 is in analysis of task structure, employees look at hiring and other HR policies, operations and HR strategy, autonomy and coordination among each other, their on job profile. So appropriate answer will be option number C, that is autonomy and coordination among each other. Question number 6 is coaching focuses on which of the following? Working with large groups to teach new skills, using behavioral science to help individuals, solving an executive's past problems, facilitating to resolve intergroup conflict. So answer will be option number B, using behavioral science to help individuals. Question number 7 is which of the following is not part of a management and leadership development program? So given options are option number A is building leadership skills, socializing and enabling managers and leaders to embrace organizational values, helping managers and leaders to execute strategic change agendas, developing an organization's strategic plan. So answer will be for question number 7, the answer will be option number D, that is developing an organization's strategic plan. Question number 8 is management by objectives is characterized by systematic and periodic top management meetings to plan work, review progress and solve problems. Subordinate meetings to plan work, review progress, and solve problems, measurements of progress toward goals, joint meetings of management and subordinates to plan work, review progress, and solve problems. So the answer for question number 8 will be option number D, that is joint meetings of management and subordinates to plan work, review progress, and solve problems. Question number 9 is Blue Ocean strategy focuses on creating services and products for the existing market, creating and capturing uncontested market, creating new demand for services and products for which no competition exists, competing competing for a predefined market and the associated products. So the answer will be option number B, creating and capturing uncontested market. So the last question is when organizations adopt a new vision and mission which it considers more appropriate in the changing business context, it must options are enact according to the new associated values, assumptions and belief system, not look at the changing business situation from a wider perspective, not foster an environment where mistakes are permissible, emphasize shared vision than personal visions of individuals to achieve its vision and mission. So before telling you the correct answer, please share the channel and subscribe it for getting upcoming week answers. If my video helps you to score good marks, then like the video. So the answer for question number 10 will be option number A, enact according to the new associated values, assumptions and belief systems. So we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.